So, Sat Sri Akal. Hello friends, my name is Amrinder Singh and welcome to Punjab Youth Action. So today in this video we are going to learn greetings and manners in Punjabi. So we should start now. So we will start with the greetings now, and the first greeting we're gonna do, you should be familiar with this now. If you are watching my channel from long time, so that is Sat Shri Akal, and that means hello. So basically, if you are like meeting someone of your age, or someone is elder, then you can say Sat Shri Akal to you. You can also say to your younger, but it's preferable to say to your elder Sat Shri Akal. And if you are like meeting someone is your friend or your someone you know that's of your age, then you can say Kadan or Ki Hal hai. That means like what's up or how are you, and you can shake hands with them. But make sure you don't offer to shake hand with someone older, maybe your uh, father-in-law or mother-in-law. If you are meeting your father-in-law or mother-in-law, then or someone older, then you should touch their feet and say you can optionally you can say matha tek diya. So, okay, if father you can say matha tek da bapu ji. If your mother-in-law, then you can say matha tek diya mummy ji. For saying thank you, you can say dhanwad or mehrbani. If you have to say sorry, then you can say mainu maaf kardo. And if you did a mistake, then you have to say it's my mistake. Then you will say ए मेरी गलती या. Have a seat, बैठ जाओ, your बैठो. Can I come in? ਕੀ ਮੈਂ ਅੰਦਰ ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਹਾਂ? ਕੀ ਮੈਂ ਅੰਦਰ ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਹਾਂ? You first, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ. But in Punjabi, if we have to welcome someone in our home, then we will say Je Ayaa Nu. Je Ayaa Nu. And if we have to say welcome, then in response to thank you, the welcome we say, then we can say koi gal nahi. So now let's get into some the manner thing. Like in Punjab, we usually don't shake hands to the opposite gender. They're mostly like you can see people shaking hands to the opposite gender, but usually to be on the safe side, you should not shake hands to the opposite gender, especially if you don't know them. And if you're traveling on a bus and you see someone older standing, then you should offer them seat. One thing I would like to more, like in mostly Western countries, you can like smile to strangers walking on the street, but it's not the case over here. You should not smile to strangers on the streets. I mean, I think usually these things are like most of things are common with little variation, but it also depend on person to person. Like one more important thing I would like to tell you, if you have to be respectful, and then you can use lots of G at the end of sentence, like uh, you can say mummy, you can say mummy ji or daddy ji. What are you doing? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਜੀ? I am eating, and it will be मैं खा रहा ਹਾਂ. So you can say मैं खा रहा ਹਾਂ जी, मैं खा रहा ਹਾਂ ਜੀ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਜੀ? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਜੀ? ਮੰਮੀ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋ? And one thing more, to be respectful, you should use you should use the plural form and not the single form. Like you have to say you have to ask what are you doing. Generally in Punjabi, if you are talking to the singular person, you will say tu singular, ki kar raha, that's single. But if you are talking to someone elder, then you should not use singular form. You should use plural form. Even though you are talking to single person, but if he is or if he is older than you, then you will use plural form. So tu will become tusi, ki kar, reha will become rahe. Oh, the single form was tu ki kar reha, and the plural form will become tusi ki kar rahe ho. So make sure to use lots of G and use plural form to be more respectful. You should dress modest if you are visiting a Gurdwara or a temple or some any religious place in Punjab. Now here's a tip for you. If you are a girl and you are trying to impress your in-laws, then you can keep your head covered by keeping chunni on your head, so they will like it. Like I don't say it's like you have to do it. It's up to you, but they will like it if you keep chunni on your head. Like chunni is a very thin piece of cloth. Chunni. And the touching of feet is called Paire Paina. So at the end of the day, I would like to say that it's my opinion. Someone can have other opinion, so it's up to you. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you have any question, or if you like to have help with some topic and you want me to speak on the next video, then you can tweet me on Twitter at PYI action. And there's also a link in description box. You can tweet me about the topic you want me to speak. Any question regarding anything, you can ask me over there. So thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for next video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that notification button bell so that you don't miss any video, my any video next time, and you will get notified every time I upload my video. And give us a like if you like the videos. That's all today. Sat Sri Akal.